Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a redirect travelling return, also sometimes referred to as a travelling return redirect. I'm not really too worried either way around. And it's one of those things we get so used to doing returns and travelling returns, so returns on the spot, travelling returns you come in and carry on through, that we often forget we can do a third choice, which is come in and go back. So you can get a travelling return that looks like this one. It gets redirected back to the front. Okay, so we're just going to do one of those. As long as you've done your beginner moves, then you don't need to have any other prerequisites for this, so no links in the description today. So we're just going to show you it. It just goes 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so let's break it down. Starts off man to left, ladies right. Guy gets out of the way to the left as if you're going to do a standard travelling return. We start the lady coming in, the guy's moving in as well. Right arm gets out, so as the lady's coming around, we pick up the lady's back, we accelerate the lady around because she's going to end up having to turn further than she would do in a standard return, and back to where she started, and the guy's back up as well to cover some of the ground. So basically in a return the lady goes around 360. In a travelling return she goes around 180 but covers a significant distance. In this one the lady's got to get around 360 and she's got to cover the distance in and out, so it feels a little bit quicker. We'll go through the timing. So it goes back 1, travelling return with the block 2, and face on 3. Okay, so let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, redirect, travelling return. We go back, return, and face. And that's it. It just gives you another tool in your toolbox that you can sharpen up the ends of your moves and maybe hit a little bit more emphasis for musical reasons. Hope you find that one useful. That's all there is to it this time. So do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, so promotes the idea in this case. Subscribing helps promote the channel. Big thank you to everyone who subscribes. Thank you for that. Really does help us. And of course by helping us we can produce more stuff for you guys. And the notification bell means you get told every time a new video comes out. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.